Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to bake some chocolate chip cookies. Here is my apron that's written Izan and everything is ready in my pocket. And this is my chef hat. And we are ready to bake. Hi friends, let's start baking. First we add in the brown sugar and the white sugar. We added the butter with the sugar. I'm mixing it. Looks cool. Yeah. Looks cool. Mix. This looks cool. This mixing is very fun. Mix. Mixing is fun. Mix. Now we are cracking the egg. Crack. Mix. Mixing the batter. Look at that. It looks so beautiful when I mix one round. I'm trying to mix like a heart. I think so. Mix. Mix. Now we are mixing again with the vanilla essence poured, and there's still no effect on it, but there's some effect. The look doesn't changed at all. I think there's an effect coming from the inside. This looks so creamy now. Looks like cupcake cream. Really looks like creamy chocolate. This looks like creamy chocolate now. I'm mixing it. Mix. Don't mix too much and don't mix too less. We're pouring something. We're pouring in flour now. Now we are mixing the batter with the flour. This looks so cool. See, there's a bit more. See, that batter is all sticking to this mixing gadget. I'm trying to get all the flour in with that thing, in with the batter. Mix super strong. I'm just gonna get it out. Try to get it out. Yeah. Get that. Okay, mix. Really doesn't look like any effect. Maybe the inside's getting all the flour. The flour's all getting in the inside. To making there's an effect in the inside, the taste. Oh, that looks like a whirlpool. That looks like a pit with lots of dirt and sand. Yuck. Look at this. This looks like a carpet. Ripping and all. Yeah. My hand is starting now hurting, so I'm going fast. Yeah. We are putting in the chocolate chips now. I'm sprinkling it in now, and then I'm just going to pour it all at last. And then get it all in the inside and just pour it everything. And now we are mixing the dough again. It's very sticky in this bowl. Now it really looks like a pit with all the sand at the sand, right? All the holes and then this yuck. This is all getting all over this. The chocolate chips are like getting pushed, diverted in there, and I mix, and this like takes it with the chocolate chips. I really don't have a choice but speed. Yeah. Whoa, look at the speed, and then it really is like getting pushed out and making it mix with this thing. See, all of that to this. Now it looks like a cupcake. Speed, just to get rid of that cupcake. Yeah, I'm just trying to try and get rid of this right there. Speed. Yeah. Look at those bumps. Those are the chocolate chips. Yeah. I think this is almost enough. I'm mixing it almost diverted into the dough. Batter is ready and it is behind me. You should actually put it in the freezer for 1 hour. And now I'm scooping this up here and putting that on. Done with it. So guys, my cookies are out of the oven and they are ready to eat. And I can resist to eat them. So soft. Let's taste it. Yum. So guys, our recipe really worked out. It smells so good, yum. It tastes really good. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.